This video will demonstrate how to create a copy of a completed promotion. This function copies all products to a new promotion with a new promotion code, ensuring you can access reporting data for the new and the original promotion. It is possible to copy multiple promotions at once using this function. From the Promotions module, click Promotion Maintenance. In the Promotion Setup window, navigate to the Inquiry section, click Complete, and then click Next. Select the promotion or promotions you want to copy. Then click Copy Promotion. Click OK to confirm that you wish to copy the promotion. When the copying process is complete, the Complete Promotions window is displayed. Click Cancel to close the Complete Promotions window and navigate to Inquiry New to view your copied promotions. To update the start and end dates of a promotion, highlight the promotion and then click Change. Update the dates in the Start Date and End Date fields as required, and then click Next. If there are promotion errors to action, the prompt will be displayed. Action the errors and start the promotion as you would any other promotion. For further information about promotions in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.